Hey there, I'm Karen Keith Smith with Beachy Beach Real Estate, and we have an exciting event coming up, a really exciting event. On November the 30th will be our holiday art walk, where we're going to feature local artists who have been responsible for making this building beautiful where we sit. And we're gonna have an orchestra. Yes, y'all, gonna be a bougie orchestra. We're gonna have oysters on the back porch. We're gonna have sushi inside and other things to go along with that. Beautiful cakes and creations by Kay. Y'all, it's gonna be such an elegant night. I want you to come here. I want you to enjoy each other, enjoy the music, enjoy the food, and celebrate these wonderful artists as we kick off the holiday season. So please come see us on November the 30th from 6 to 9 at what we call Top Secret Headquarters in Panama City Beach. We hope to see you there.